Hi guys, I'm gonna visit a very special friend today. His name is Zaza, and we're going all the way to Fort Lauderdale just to visit him. So we're going to Zaza's house. So guys, we are here at the house. Let's go in.
Well, you have your surprise, huh?
Oh,
my God!
Hey Marvin,
Hi.
he's Zaza.
Oh my God! Look, guys, this is the surprise, guys. Oh my gosh, have you seen anything cuter than this? Oh, is he nervous?
No, he
Momentum.
wants to play. Come on.
Look.
Come on in.
Wow.
Wow.
This is amazing.
I know.
Hi Zaza, thank you for letting me come to your house. You like the view? Hey guys, I'm standing here with Zaza, also known as Pikachu. The fins, Zaza. Hey Zaza, what do you think about this view? Alright, I guess that's a yes. It's good. Say hi to the fans. Yeah, say hi to the fans. Medium rare. I think it's medium rare right now. And plus, he's a dog, so he can eat raw meat, technically.
Oh, all right, Zaza.
Hey, good job.
All right, so you like Chef Marvin.